Hello everyone! How are you today guys? Andito na naman tayo ang update ko today guys. I hope you have a nice day and a great day morning everyone! So yun, nakaligo na ang update natin guys for today's videos. Ayan, feeling fresh na tayo guys at feeling good. Oh, may coffee na tayo guys. So, sa mga hindi pa nakapagkape dyan, let's have coffee guys. Sabay na tayo para sabayan niyo na ako guys. Kain. Magtimpla na din kayo dyan. Let's drink together guys. My daily routine guys, no? So, hindi talaga mawala ang kape guys. Oh, diba? Lami kayo. Sarap. Sa mga hindi pa nakapagkape dyan or any breakfast. So, yun. It's time for you guys. Para ano na din. Hindi tayo malipasan ng gutom guys kahit papano, no? Better naman guys kasi maganda ang panahon ngayon guys, oh. As you can see, no, 'di ba? The weather is very good, guys. 'Di ba? Oh, ayan. As you can see, guys, 'di ba? It's so very nice weather. Ayan, so I hope everyone have a nice day and a great day ahead. No? So, yun lang ang update natin. Keep safe palagi kasi hindi natin malaman guys na anytime lang din no, pwede mag-ulan. So, always be careful and bring your umbrella. Ingat sa lahat, saan man kayo. 'Di ba? Nasa loob man or sa labas. Keep safe everyone. Yan. Mabuti hindi na nag-ulan guys. It feels have a good weather today, you know, I hope so. So yun lang ang update natin. Thank you so much for watching and keep safe and God bless everyone. Have a nice day and a great day ahead. Bye!